Hello guys, welcome to another video of Pentium 4 computer. Today I'm here, today I want to swap the old Geforce Mx4000 that I have here and replace it with the Geforce 4200 titanium that I have. I'm pretty sure this graphics card will do just great. And I'm intending to do some benchmarks, of course, the 3D Mark 2000, 3D Mark 2001, and a couple of the games that are already installed in this machine. I also be needing a driver that I will download from the official website and see how it actually performs. Yeah, anyway, stay tuned for the benchmark test because I'm going to post another video very soon. Thank you for watching.